Hello everyone, I want to introduce myself. My name is Rangga Dwi Saputra. I'm going to share an experience I'll never forget and hopefully it inspire or motivate you all. This experience is about my journey to get the Jarum Scholarship during my college years. Back to the past, I searched for information about scholarship available during my studies. I found out about the Jarum Scholarship application through my university social media channels. In which I checked all the information available about the scholarship, include its requirement and selection process. Once everything was clear, I prepared all the necessary documents for the application. I made sure everything was detailed and nothing was overlooked. Throughout the documentation process, my main focus was on how to ensure I passed by completing all the required documents. After submitting my document, I had to wait for a few weeks to receive further confirmation via email for the next selection stage. I felt excited when I received the email confirm my pass to the next stage. Next, I had to prepare for an online writing test. I immediately looked up information about the test format and content. I searched through various social media platforms. Armed with this information, I dedicated several days to prepare for the online writing test. This required excellent time management skills on my part. I spent days preparing for this test. When the day of the test arrived, I feel nervous, worried, confused, and anxious. But I reassured myself that I could face the challenge. I take the test with all my heart, utilizing the knowledge I had acquired during my preparation days. The test lasts for about 3 hours, leaving my feeling dizzy afterwards. Several weeks passed, and I was still eagerly waiting for the further emails. I felt a mix for emotion, wondering whether I will process to the next stage or not. Then I received an email stating that I had passed for the to the next stage, which involved an offline test. This test differed from the previous one because the results, whether I pass or not, would be announced on the same days after test. After completing the test, I waited anxiously for several hours, constantly praying for a positive outcome. And finally, when the announcement was made, I immediately checked if my name was on the list, and I very happy. Next, the final stage arrived, the interview stage with Jarum representative. Only a few college students remain at this point. The interview was conducted face to face with Jarum representative and psychologist. Before the interview, I prepared myself mentally and pray for the guidance. After the interview, I felt relieved knowing that the next announce will come approximately a month later. It was a long wait for the final decisions. After a month of anticipation, the day of the announcement arrived. I felt a mix of emotion and could only pray for the best outcome, seeking blessing from my parents. After waiting anxiously the entire day, the announcement finally came in the evening via email. And thanks God, I had been accepted as a recipient of the Jarum Scholarship. I was very happy. Tears of gratitude filled my eyes, and I realized I had reached this milestone, making my parents proud. That concludes my unforgettable experience, one that brings pride to my life. I hope my stories can serve as motivation for my friends. Thanks for listening to my stories, and I apologize for any mistake in my words. See you again.